Hey you guys, welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. We're in that backyard on the Mad Pitmaster Ruben. Today we're going to be doing some picanha, straight from Walmart. This is how they sell it, pre-packaged. This is about 2.5 pounds right here. However, I'm not going to be cooking this up traditionally. I'm not going to leave the fat cap, and it's not going to be served the way you normally see it in the churrascos. Now, what I am going to do is serve this up with some broccoli, and I'm going to give you guys my take on beef and broccoli. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, I have the grill kind of set up in a little different fashion, which is I'm using, this is the 26-inch Kettle, Weber Kettle, and I'm using the standard charcoal grate in the bottom. I got some other grates down there from the Weber Smoky Mountain. I'm just using it, I just put it in there so that it can be used. That way it's not going to rust and stuff like that. But anyways, I am utilizing the firing as you would your little stainless steel tins that hold the charcoal, but this lets me put it wherever I want and keeps it off the back of the grill. Now, as you can see, I have a bunch of wood in there already. This is pecan, and I'm gonna use a hell of a lot of it. A hell of a lot of it? Yep, a hell of a lot of it. And I'm gonna get the charcoal ready, add the charcoal right on top, because the picanha is going to cook very quickly, and I want to get as much smoke. I want to smother that thing in smoke, so it's not going to be one of those long cooks where too much smoke is bad and bitter and acrid and stuff like that. This is going to be to benefit the cook. And then on top of this, I just throw the standard grate right back on it, and there it is. I still got my 2 zones, my direct and indirect, and it works out. Just been using it like this lately, and just kind of a thing I've been trying to do, just, you know, messing around. So let's get the charcoal started. So I'm using Kingsford Blue, and it's only about, not really all the way to the top. That's all I'm going to use. That's all I'm going to need. And let's get this thing started. That's it. That's all it's going to take. Here's our broccoli. It's ready to roll. I'm gonna hit it one more time with that garlic jalapeno rub. Bam. Then, this is Walmart's version of the Asian zing that you guys can find at Buffalo Wild Wings. Good stuff right here. I'm gonna hit all over the broccoli. Alright, like so. It's pretty spicy, pretty tangy, it's pretty good. Now, this is off to the side. Let's bring this picanha over. Oh yeah. Let's see how we did here. I'm gonna slice this in pieces just to separate it, and then I'm gonna slice it against the grain. Look at that. Come on now. You guys see that? That is good stuff. Now, I'm a tri-tip guy. I'm from Cali, but I love picanha. This stuff here, it's in a different league, and I recommend it to anybody. This is mine. Damn, that's good. This is going right on the broccoli. Oh, that's good stuff. Ah, damn, that's good. I need a little bit more of this. And a little bit of salt. There you go. There you go, right there. You see that? That's my version of beef and broccoli. Picanha beef and broccoli. Booyah. And if you ask me, way too much broccoli up in here. Damn it. That's good. Alright, you guys, that was a fun cook. Little something different, little twist. Beef and broccoli, my style. And just to let you guys know, this picanha right here, freaking tender, super tender. Look. I have to say, and I have to admit, it's definitely tender, more tender than tri-tip. But I still love me some tri-tip. But man, if you can try this picanha, try it any way, cook it any way you know how to. Cook it like a steak. It's good stuff. You don't have to leave that fat cap on. Do what you know. Do what you want to do. You won't regret it. This is good stuff. See you guys next time. This is good.